I asked Gemini Pro to help me create a documentary video about printing Euro banknotes.
I used a simple command and it instantly gave me a structured 8-step plan. It provided 8 detailed prompts. On text, everything looked professional and accurate.
But the actual video generation? As you can see here, the results are really disappointing. The machinery looks generic, and the banknotes are full of errors. They don't look real. The AI is hallucinating. It clearly struggles with specific, high-security textures. Even simple physics, like cutting the paper stacks, feel glitchy and weird. Gemini is great for writing the script, but for generating the video, it failed this test.